Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Kindergarten Video Lectures. Let's explore, learn and have fun together on this exciting educational journey. It's story time.
The boy was giving the mango to the monkey. The monkey was happily eating mangoes under the moonlight. They were thankful to Allah for the tasty treat.
Let's meet with new sounds.
Hmm, hmm, hmm.
Let's do actions with me.
The mom and the dad make many meals. The mom and dad makes many meals for their hungry children.
Every object has an initial sound. Like
Moon, monkey, mango. Moon. Monkey. Mango. Dear kids, what do you know about the mangoes? What do mangoes taste like?
see you in the next lesson.